Hi, today we're showing you guys this bar set. You got two 5.5 pound weights. You have two, well actually I should say you have four 5.5 pound weights and two 11 pounds. Two 5.5 and an 11 pound go on one side. Two 5.5 and 11 pounds goes on the other side. The bar is going to come separate, and what you're going to do is you're going to dig through your box and you're going to find this piece. And this little piece here is going to thread inside right in here. I'm sorry guys, no, it doesn't thread on the ends, it threads right on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this piece in here and then slide this down with the tip facing down like this. You can hand thread it until you can't, then use the tool they provide. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to place the weights on these weights on this side, these weights on the other side. When you're putting your weights on, put the heaviest, aka the biggest weight on first and the smaller weights after. So the 11 pounds is going to go the first, then the 5.5 will go after. Use these to thread it on. I'm not sure how heavy the bar is, but it feels at least minimum of 5 pounds because it's a heavy duty bar. Now once you have your barbells on, thread this and make it tight. Hold the bar so it doesn't spin and make it tight. Alright guys, so with the bar, you can grab it a couple ways. You can grab it on the sides. You can grab it like this. Like this. There's a couple options, depends on what you're going to be doing. You can grab it, well, however you want guys.